Well, for people who say that social media is not very social, this event really shows that it comes down to relationships. And the bonding that we all formed within this group is really amazing, and it's going to continue from here on out. So I look at digital as really just the road. You have digital and you have non-digital. Marketing is always going to be there regardless of the road that you travel. There's always going to be some hype, but yet there's also going to be some really good content that we all look towards. So I don't necessarily look at it as digital marketing being the hype, but always look more intently into the marketing and to see whether it is hype or content. So KOOL really brings together like-minded people, and anytime you bring together like-minded people, you're going to generate new ideas and new pathways for all of us to go down together and just improve the content and availability of education for all dentists.